Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to join ASTD X Discord server. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to join the All-Star Tower Defense Roblox Discord server, you have to follow a few simple steps. First, open the Discord app, but if you prefer using the web version of Discord, that's completely fine. The steps are exactly the same, so just follow along. Once you are logged into your Discord account, look toward the left-hand side of the screen where your server list is located. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of that list and you'll see a circular icon with a plus symbol. This button is used to add or join new servers, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the button, Discord will open a new window showing different options for creating or joining a server. What you want to do here is look toward the bottom where it says have an invite already. Just below that, there's a button labeled join a server. Click on that. A box will appear asking for an invite link. In this box, type the following invite exactly as shown, discord.gg/allstar. Make sure everything is in lowercase with no extra spaces. Once you've typed the invite correctly, click the blue join server button at the bottom. At this point, Discord will load the server and display a welcome window that says welcome to All-Star. Before you can chat or access most channels, the server will require you to verify your account. The server uses Bloxlink for verification, so if you haven't set up Bloxlink before, you'll need to follow the linking steps. Once you have completed the verification process, the server may ask you to go through a few additional steps. One of these includes reading through the server rules. Simply click on this link and they will take you to the verification page. Make sure to scroll through them quickly, understand what the server expects from members, and then agree to the rules. When you're ready, click the green submit button. After that, and once your account is fully verified, you'll be granted full access to the All-Star Tower Defense Discord server. You'll be able to chat in channels, view announcements, participate in discussions, and post just like any other member, and that's it. So that's basically how you can join ASTD X Discord server. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.